friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making a flower. Come join me and I'll show you how to make one. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find a stack of tissue paper and 2 chenille stems or pipe cleaners that are green. So you might want to take them apart and put them in an order that you like. I'm going to leave my green for the last piece because that's the color of the stem, and I'm going to want to make these look like leaves. And then all of the other papers, I'm just going to put in an order that I like. If you don't like one of the colors that you have, you can take it out. You're going to need between 8 and 10 pieces of tissue paper to make one flower. All right, so now that I have my stack of tissue paper in the color order that I like, I am going to start folding it. I want to keep this as evenly stacked as possible while I fold. I'm just going to start on the short edge, not the long edge, but the short edge. I'm going to start folding, and I'm going to start folding about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. I'm going to fold, and then I'm going to flip my paper and fold it the other way, trying to keep that fold pretty even. And I will keep going back and forth. And now I have come to the end, and my paper just has a little bit extra right here. So what I'm going to do, you might find it helpful to grab a pencil and make a line. You will also need some scissors, and just go ahead and cut that off. If you make a line, then you can follow the line, but if you hold the paper with one hand and cut with the other hand, if you're able to do that, you can go ahead and do that. But just follow that line, just being careful not to cut into the folds. Okay, very good. So now we are going to fold this in half to find the center mark here. And then we're going to take one of our pipe cleaners, and about halfway, we'll just put that pipe cleaner on to hold our paper together and give a little twist. Twist it all the way down, and that's going to be your stem. Now, the other thing we want to do is round these edges. If you have a grown-up that you want to trace their thumb, or you can just go ahead and take your scissors and cut that. It might be a little bit difficult to get through all of these layers, and this could be an optional step. I think I have more than 8 to 10 pieces of tissue paper here, so I'm just going to try to round these edges with sharper scissors. If you need a grown-up's help with this, please get a grown-up to help you. Watch your fingers. Great. And now you open up this fan, and you might want some water too or something for your fingers, because you're going to pull each one of these up, up, being very careful not to rip the paper, but if you do rip it, it's not that big a deal. So you hold in one hand and you pull up on the other with the other hand. one side, and now we have the other side to do. So again, fan this out so that it's easier to lift those papers. And there is your flower. Now if you want, you can use this extra pipe cleaner to make the stem a bit longer. So just go ahead and twist it in. You can even make a leaf if you'd like. And go ahead and twist that together. Or if there were some colors that you didn't want in your flower and you wanted to make a separate flower, you could use the second pipe cleaner or chenille stem for that flower. Remember to clean up. Nice job, everybody. So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your tissue paper flower. And if you're doing our winter reading challenge, please check out the code word right there and add that to your Beanstack account for some extra points. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.